Dear students, today we shall complete poem The Snake Train, written by W. W. E. Ross. This is a very beautiful poem about the snakes, about the nature of a snake. Most of us think of snake as fearsome symbols of death, but the snake in this poem is itself a victim. हम में से बहुत लोग सांप को एक मौत का सिंबल मानते हैं. When snakes are there, there is a risk of death. But in this poem we shall see the snake itself has become a victim of a death. Snake life is in risk. Snake की जो लाइफ है वो खतरे में है. Let us see how and who has become the a great risk for snake. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of a thin long body. In this first lines, the body of snake has been shown. Sudden curvings of thin long body. The snake body is of thin, slim color and curvings. And the snake trying to escape the pursuing stick. Pursuing stick. What is the meaning of pursuing? Pursue word means to follow. One stick is there which is following it, जो इसका पीछा कर रही है. And the snake is trying. What the snake is trying to escape. वो उससे बचने की कोशिश कर रहा है स्टिक से. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Poet describes the curving shapes of a snake, that his shapes is very beautiful and graceful. He glides through the water away from the stroke. The one stroke was made by a stick. Strike, stroke. The stroke means hit. The person who was pursuing the snake, he made a stroke. He made a stroke hit on the body of a snake, but he glides through the water away. But he swam through the water. वो पानी में से वहाँ से निकल गया. Oh, let him go. When the person gave a stroke on the body of snake, the poet wished that, oh, let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt. The poet wants that snake should not be hit. Let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt. What is the meaning of reeds? Reeds are some water plants, green plants. As meaning is also given here. Let me show you. Reeds. This is the meaning. Water or marsh plants with thick stems. The poet says that let the snake go into the reeds to hide without hurt. Without hurt, we should not hurt that snake. It will hide there. Small and green, he is harmless even to children. The poet says that snake is very small and green. Question can come about the physics of a snake. You should explain that he is very small and green, and he is harmless even to children. Green color snakes are not harmful. The poet says that it is not even harmful for children. It is harmless even to children. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Along the sand, near the river, sand is there. Along the sand he lay. He lay means he stays there in near the reeds until observed. जब तक उसे देख नहीं लिया गया. And chased away. Chased away means to follow. What is the meaning of chased away? To follow. पीछा करना. वो रेत के पास बैठा रहा जब तक उसके देख नहीं ले गया और जब तक उसके पीछे भागे नहीं स्टिक लेकर। एंड नाउ ही वैनिशेज इन द रिपल्स, अब जो है वो वैनिश हो गया। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वैनिश? इज डिसअपियर। वैनिश मीन्स डिसअपियर। He vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Ripples means the waves of water, पानी की लहरें जो बनती हैं, तरंगे बनती हैं। He vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. जो ग्रीन कलर के छोटे छोटे पतले पतले पौधे लगे हुए हैं उनके अंदर वो गायब हो गया है। तो what is the poet want to say here? W.E. Ross is the poet. You should keep in your mind. The poet says that he has highlighted that snake trying. Now you should give the answer. What is the snake trying? The snake is trying to escape. Snake is trying to escape from the pursuing stick, and stick is the symbol of death. The snake is trying to save itself. The snake is trying to save itself from the stroke of a stick. So this is all about snake trying poem. I hope you well understood it. Now I will tell you its question answers you have to complete. These 5 questions you have to complete. First question, what is the snake trying to escape from? Its answer I have given now. Is it harmful snake? What is its color? क्या ये स्नेक हार्मफुल है? नो, इट इज़ नॉट हार्मफुल। व्हाट इज इट्स कलर? ग्रीन कलर। द पोइट फाइंड्स द स्नेक ब्यूटीफुल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, फाइंड द वर्ड ही यूजेस टू कन्वे इट्स ब्यूटी। कौन कौन से वर्ड इसने यूज़ किए हैं पोइट ने ये बताने के लिए? द स्नेक इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। ही वॉज अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स इट्स कर्व, शेप, ग्रेसफुल। द वर्ड्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, What does the poet wish for the snake? Poet की क्या wish थी? The poet wishes that snake should not be hit. Let the snake run away from there and let it be hide in the reeds. Next question. Where was the snake before anyone saw it and chased it away? Snake कहाँ था? कहाँ छिपा हुआ था जब तक उसको देखा नहीं गया? वो छुपा पड़ा था, उसका पीछा नहीं किया। Where does the snake disappear? और स्नेक कहाँ गायब हो गया? इट्स आंसर इज इन द लास्ट लाइन ऑफ द पोइम्स। अलोंग द सैंड, ही वॉज हिडन, कहाँ पर छिपा हुआ था? अलोंग द सैंड। एंड वेयर डज इट वैनिश, कहाँ गायब हो गया? इन द रिपल्स ऑफ द ग्रीन स्लिम रीड्स। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पोइम. सो कंप्लीट दिस पोइम टुडे. Like this video, comment if you face any problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.